闪烁的彩虹，爱却无边无际，双只手有空，眼只有辫子，为白了线。你会在这吸引，一个他的情节，就破就伤了无情灵为了新世界，爱空虚我不再管理，用继续时间，就在频频动完没动手会再迟疑，不必不再更新，一得到的期间，就外面比起曾经完美做让幻变，甚至是容易点，爱你也在去势力，人化逃离重新怀旧连年的线，把这场事就忘忘了了，微不藏只是黑色料，是耍好。
Hey, how's it going, everyone? How's it going, everyone? Doesn't want to go, so I got out. Doesn't want to go, so I got out. Anyway, very tight. I did some trading today. Yeah. Did break the trend line or not? Go! Give it! 7 points, $140 with that trade. I'm above my goal today. About $600 today. So I think I'm good. Between the, how many accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts. I'm up about 600, I think. Between those 6 accounts. I'm done. I'm done, you guys. I'm done. I don't know, man. I don't know about my friends here. How's it going? How's it going, everyone? It was 7 points. I'm done. I think I'm going to hang out. I'm not going to trade anymore. It's super tight price range right now. I'm super tight. Dun dun dun. Gonna be a long weekend. I don't know, maybe take a day off tomorrow. Come back on Tuesday. Take a day off tomorrow. Come back on Tuesday. Sound like a plan to me. Let me look at 1 day hour. Let me see. Yeah, we're the top. The 1 hour price range. We're at the top right now. We're at the top of the. Yeah, super strong. It's very difficult to go short and make money. If I short, I get out very quickly, 4 or 5 points. But again, it might want to go back up here and be testing that 332. That may be the case, 332, and it's very, very difficult to find myself or short. But again, I'm watching for that 300 to hold, right? 300 up here, 314. But yeah, we are at the high of the day. I don't know about easy money, but I try to be better every day. I wouldn't say it's easy, but I try, my friend. I try to adapt. Whatever I have to do to survive and make money. I know, man. 300. Yeah, we're the high right now. Look at this is 1 hour. Look at very, very strong. So, but again, I'm watching for that 300 to hold, you know. If I'm shorting or something like that, I better get out at 305 or something like that, risking like maybe 5-6 points. So it's maybe because see, I mean it can push all the way to 330. Yeah. Like I said, man, I promised myself to do everything in my power to protect all my funded account. I'm working so hard for these accounts, and I promised myself not to. It's very difficult to do. I mean, if you trade long enough, you understand what I'm trying to say. You know, when you're in a trade and you refuse saying that I'm even though I have my stop loss on it, sometimes you get revenge trade. You know, I mean, pick you out at the stop loss. You go, I want my money back, and go in and revenge trade, and the next thing you know is your account already blown. You know, but I'm trying to control my emotions, you guys. I mean, we work so hard for it. So go back to 1 minute. That was one hour. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, watch for that 300. It looked like it hold at 300, 305 here. 305. Yeah, right now, see, it's dancing around 300, 305, 95, something like that. It's dancing around this area right now. like I said, it's very difficult for me to go long right now because we are almost a high right now. About another 25 points at the high. Very difficult for me to go long, but moreover, I already beat my goal for the day, so I kind of super patient. I don't have to trade if I don't have to. So yeah. It's kind of weird, even though I'm trading with my funded account, but I don't know, for some reason I feel like this is real money, like $100, $200, $300 if I take a hit on that. I feel like, oh man, it's really $300 out of my bank account. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's happened to you or not, but I don't know. When I for the last few days, maybe weeks, I trade and I kind of. I don't know. I cannot control myself thinking like that. This is real money. This is $100 out of my checking account or out of my saving account. I don't know. I mean, even though it's a funded account, I don't know. It's kind of weird. And I got even though I got my stop loss and take profit in place and that, but I feel like, oh man, what happened if I really out of control and I cannot control my emotions and I blow it up? And it's real money. I mean, I don't know. It's in my mind. I think like that, but I shouldn't think it like that. I'm thinking like a professional trader. You got your stop loss in place, all that in place. Why you thinking like that? But I don't know. I just can't stop thinking like that. But I guess I have to. Yeah, I have to reverse that. But it's weird. It's strange, man. But yeah, the last few weeks, man, I have no choice but protect these accounts. I wouldn't say pretend, but I don't know. I feel like this is my real money. I mean, serious questions. Yeah, 300. Oh, now she want to go? Yeah, she might want to come back down here, retesting that 78 again. Yeah, I think Crystal, I think market open and close early on Monday, but I think I want to take a day off, man. I want to take a day off. Oh, I'm thinking about doing a Friday off too, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't know if you feel like that. You're welcome to comment. Right? Comment on that, but yeah. Yeah, even though I have stop loss, take profit in place and that, but I don't know if you guys have that kind of feeling or not. I mean, you walk and you go, am I going to blow up account today? Am I going to have full control of my emotion today? Or wow, it broke that. 78. Yeah, it's happened to me all the time. To go, am I going to be able to control myself today? Am I going to behave today? Not going to blow up any accounts? I should stand, huh? I should stand. Wow. Wow, she dropped what 30 points from 300. You remember why I was saying that I should watch 200? So, I can go short at 300 and get out at 305 or 304, risking 4 or 5 points, $80, $100, and catching this. That's not 78 again, 78, 80 again. Let me look at the 1 hour again. Wait. Let me remove this here. Hitting the drawing. 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah. Looks like we're going to break it. Yeah, 91. 91, let's say 94, 95. Our resistance level 95. Okay. 95 and down here is what? 217. Wow, 50 points, huh? 95. 95. 95, where is it? Okay, that's fine. Okay. Oh, 95. Yeah, I don't want to lose the trade, that's for sure. But have to learn how to accept that, right? I mean, that's what trading all about. You don't know if you want to make money with your trade or not. But if you have your stop loss and all that in place, just learn to accept it. So I'm working on it, my friend. I'm working on it. See, as soon as I accept that, then there are no more revenge trade and no more blowing up accounts. Up here I'm watching for 95 and 300. Yeah, you know, a lot of times you see that sometimes I act the way I act when I'm in a trade, and honestly, that's my true feeling. It's just not for YouTube or anything like that. That's who I am. Get super nervous and stuff. That my true feeling. That's who I am, I guess. Okay, right now my take profit is 7 points. My hard stop is 8 points. So maybe 1 to 1, something like that. Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah, 100%. No, but you can see that for the last couple of weeks, you can see that I really have control over my emotions. It's not 100%, but I'm getting there. So that's the point and that's the key. I'm getting there. But as soon as I get there, I think I will be very successful. You know, control emotions, things like that. Yeah. Yeah, 100%, my friend. I know. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's very difficult for me to hide my emotions. The trade, that obvious. Very difficult for me to hide it. But I guess that's who I am. But basically, I guess I have to learn how to accept that. But as soon as I accept that, I think I shouldn't have any problem, you know. But yeah. The sooner I accept that, the better it is. I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Well, believe it or not, I have not moved my stop loss for a while. Stuck with maybe once a while I move my stop loss. Is because the account that I'm trading, I have a lot of room to play around with, and I move my stop loss knowing that there's a risk, but knowing that perhaps it will go in my directions. It get the matter of waiting for give it some more room to breathe and more room to work on, or room to move. But yeah, that's the only time that I move my stop loss. But other than that, I would not move because that's really bad. I might get lucky, but %, I guess. 50%. No, but but you know that I move my take profit a lot. I move my take profit a lot. Greedy, I guess. I'm greedy. I move my take profit a lot. But I think 75% of the time it work out the way I expect it. Dun, 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 dun. Really? I did that? I thought I see some price actions go into my direction. That's why I moved my stop loss, but then I wouldn't. Yeah. Good to know. Sometimes you're in a trade, you don't see, but people watching you, they see. So perhaps maybe that's what I need to work on. But we are in a very tight range, you guys, very, very tight. But I'm watching for that 95 up here and 300, watching for those two levels, 300, 301. Very, very tight. Yep, we all need to work on. We need to work on our trading. Like I said, you guys, I have a very open mind. I don't mind you guys to step in and say, hey man, you do this, do that. But I wouldn't turn around and throw things at you guys. But I'll take it in and see if I can incorporate that ideas or suggestions to my trading. Then I'll do that. But if not, then I'll whatever, right? You have the right to speak or criticize for that matter. but be nice. We all on the same boat, right? I mean, we have to be nice to each other. But like I said, I have an open mind. You say whatever you want to say, but I read it, and then if I can incorporate that and help me with my trading, then I'll do that 100%. Not a problem. Yeah. But I try, you guys. I try to show up every day. Even though some days, man, I wake up, I go, I don't want to do this, man. It's too much stress, and I have to be on YouTube, and I have to prove something, thing like that. But I go, no, I have to. You can see that I'm not making any money on YouTube. Not right now. So, but that's fine. This kind of put me into the situation that I have to be super disciplined, like do this, commit it, and that, like, yeah. But yeah. Honestly, man, I mean, this you can see that sometimes you go, oh man, it's easy. Just turn on your computers and just stream and talking and trading and all that. Man, a lot of work behind this, and very, very stressful. But again, you are here not to want to hear me complaining. But no, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. No, I'm just saying that I'm in life. You know, you have to put yourself. I have to put myself in front and center to grow. And wow, look at this, you guys. Here we go, testing at 300. I'm watching. 304, 305, okay. Wow, she might push all the way to 315. Right now, my stop is 7 points. Take profit 6. I'm watching. Might come back and retesting that 300 again. Three second. They're very tight right now, so I'm waiting. 40 seconds for this candle to close. No rush. No rush. Like I said, I'm ahead of my goal today. My goal, yeah, you know that my goal, $500 a day. Today I made maybe $600, so I'm above my goal. There's no reason for me to be aggressive. There's no reason for that. So. If I don't see it, I'm not going to take it. But like I said, my stop loss is super tight, 7 points. That is $140 for one contract. So and my take profit was 6 points. So 1-to-1 basically. Mm-hmm. 95. $300. What time is it? 11:55. Okay. Wow. I should push it to 315 for sure. Yep, 315. Yeah, so far so good today. Today, Thursday. 315. See if touching that 315 again. Man, it might want to go through that 315. To be honest with you guys, man, I hate to chase it, the top right here. I hate to chase it. To go long, basically. $27. $35. What time is it? 57. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Super tight, man. Super tight. Wait. Right now at 58. 2 more minutes. Speaking of 2 minutes, I think I'm gonna take a couple of minutes a break and get something to drink. Be right back. Okay, see you guys in a bit. I'm watching for that 315. We are at the top of the hour right now, our clock. 1 more hour to go. Or 66. Mm-hmm. 59. 140. Wow, this. Da, 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 da. 24 3/4. Watch for that 315 to hold. Man, the market want to go up, man. Wants to move. Speaking of it, let me see. Let me move out to 1 hour and see where we are heading. Where are we heading? Where are we heading? $4.30. Man, look at this here. 330. If she pushed through that, I think we can go 20 to 50 points higher. 74. 40 points higher. So watch for 330. We break out of that 330 and we can go a lot higher. So let's see. 1 minute. Yep, 330. Yeah. Man, the market could go, man. It's like okay, now we trade a different level now. 313. 313. Look at the 15 minute and see how the 15 minute look like. Yeah. Yeah, the top of the price range too. I don't know, very difficult to yep. Yeah, the market want to go up and I don't want to chase it. So my job is to sit on my hands. I supposed to go long. Not for sure. I supposed to go long, but for some reason, I just can't myself to see myself to go to chase it. And if that's the case, then just not touching it, not touching it. Yeah, but if I can't get with the program, stay away. You know, not fighting the trend like this. The 1 hour look really nice and the 15 minutes look really strong too. Who in the right mind is shorting right now? Look at this here. This is the 15 minute. Look at this candle here. Yep. See, if I don't feel like I'm chasing it, so stay away. Do not short. And if I short, get out very quickly, catch in 4 or 5 points and get out. It broke through the high of the day. The high of the day was 330, went all the way to 339. Yep. Stop fighting. $3.30. $3.30. If it breaks that 330, I might go long. It doesn't look like it want to break that. I'm out. I was making a mistake, I thought. Broke even. Okay. Sometimes, you saying that you stay away. If you cannot find yourself to go long, stay away, do not short. But you sitting here and watching the candle moves and that, you tend to go short. And you told yourself not to go long or go short. That's wrong. So I got out. I hope that you guys understand what I'm trying to say, man. It's like, wait. Don't have to trade. You don't have to. I mean, look at... it's very tough, man. Look at this. Even with 5 minutes. Yeah, well, 5 minutes at the bottom of the candle right now. Look at the 15 minutes, still good. Yeah. So, be patient. Yeah. But I'm watching for that 30 though. If I go short, then if go back up here to 330 or push it through, then I have to get out. If I made a mistake of going short right now, but the 330 right here. But I would not undershort it right now. And be very, very dangerous. But we'll see. Well, I already see some weakness, but we'll see. Even right now, if I'm shorting, my stop is like 26, like 3 points, but still waiting. I don't have to be the first one to go in and short. I don't have to be the first one. Yeah, I think I got out, broke even with that trade. I also watched for that 315 as well. 315. If we break that 315, we can go all the way down to 300. Here we go, 315. Go! I'm I'm in trouble. I'm wrong for sure. 7 points. 7 points. Yeah. Tough, man. Went all the way down and 5 points in my favor, and my take profit was 6 points. I hate it. Get back 107 points, $140. Took me out at the top, man. This is crazy, man. Be patient. You might want to retest in that 325 again. No, I'm not in a rush to get back in. Yeah, it was 7 points. This is a 7 points stop loss again. Not too good. Yeah, kind of rushing it. Get on my hands, that for sure. Yes, it is, Mavic. It is. You know, 7 point is super tight, but that I said it, and I have to accept that. 7 point is super tight. You can see, went up here and took me out at the top and went back down again. You like kind of teasing me, saying, oh yeah, you want to messing with me? Look at this. I keep take me out at the top both times. I'll take one more trade with this account, and then if not, then I'll maybe stop. But like I said, my stop is super tight. Right now, you know what? Right now we're in this price range, 325 and 315. It's super tight. I should not take any trade, but I did, so I accept that. 10 points, 10-point price range. No way that I can make money. Look at, took me out at the top and went back down again. So very tight price range. So it is what it is. Anger? No, not really. I'm still green for the day, you know. Disappointed, but again, I think I shouldn't say disappointed, huh? Because knowing that taking trades, like, you know, taking trade, you have to learn how to accept that trade, you know. And the bottom line is, how am I going to deal with that after the trade? That's more important than losing a trade, right? Like I said, we are very tight range right now. Top at 325 and bottom at 315. It's only 10-point price range. I should not trade in this kind of price range. So I learned from that. So it's super tight, and I did not recognize that. Now I do. So I will stop. When it's break out of this price range, then I'll pick trade again. But other than that, I should sit on my hands. Yeah, I did not see that. Now I do. So. Hey Andy, what's up, man? Okay, look like trying that 315 again. Very tight price range, 10 points. What time is it? 12:16. How's it going, Andy? How's it going, man? Oh, Andy going to buy us lunch. Oh, no, what the? This guy got out. I think I took 3-point hit or something like that. Trying to break that 315. I'll try it again. I'm not scared of you. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm in trouble, man. I'm not scared of you, man. Give it to me, baby. Let's go. Give it to me, baby. No. 310. Greedy. I am greedy. That for sure. Me greedy. Crazy, man. That's okay. It was fun. I try, man. Let me see. I get back what? Came down to 04. 4 points. Man, $100 and some. 5 points. I left 5 points on the table. But again, that's what trading all about, you know? You try. You try to squeeze as much point out of that trade. Oh, here she goes. Yeah, I was too aggressive in terms of the stop loss. 110, that was about 6 points. 5.25 points. 5.5 points. Yeah. You guys already know. Me greedy. Me greedy. Just stops 1 point. Less red. Lesser red. Yeah, I thought it might go all the way down to 300. You know, retested 300, 302. That's why I moved that stop. My take profit. Yeah, I thought I can squeeze a few more points. Like 10, 15 points, something like that. But I guess I was wrong. What can we do? But at least I got about 6 points out of that trade, so. Okay, here we go again. Watch it. I came back up again, and I 315 again. Sometimes I have to watch. Wow. Came back up to 315 again. Down here, we're looking at what, 300? Man, if she breaks that 300, man, I'm going to go short for sure. Or not. So right now, we super tight. Once again, we're doing what? This price range, we already got out of this price range that we was talking about, 25 and 15. Now we're working on this price range, 300 and 315. So 15-point price range, and see if she breaks out or not. So for now, I'm sitting in my hands and wait, because we are in this kind of price range right now, 315 and 300, right? 303, 302. So we are in the different kind of price range right now that we're working on. So I'm waiting for that. But again, I'm waiting for that 300. Break that 300, we can go lower, but we'll see. So I should not trade. Right now, should not trade. But again, I say I should not, but I didn't say I would not. Make any sense? Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Wow, 300. Touching that 300 and push it back up again. The volume kind of small, very low volume. Volume very low, man. Ah! No rush. Like I said, I'm risking 7 points. Man, 7 points is kind of hard. I'm done. I'm done for sure. Seven-point stop loss is kind of hard. What time is it? 4:24. You know what, let me give it a little bit more room to play around with again. What is this account? 66. Let me look at the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Man. Yeah. Look at this push now. 95. Yeah. I have to break that 95 and that or to go at 95. The VWAP all the way down here. After 15 minutes, let me look at the 1 hour. Yeah, I wouldn't have made out that. Yeah. So basically right now, if I'm doing short, take profit right away. Basically, I'm fighting the trend right now. Yeah. Anyway. So basically look like we got a really good support at 300. Did not break. Up here we got a good support at 25, so I went long. Looking for 7 points. No, it doesn't want to go. No! Can win, man. Seven points. I'm out. It's too long. I do not have the patience. It's too long. It's too long. Took too long. Took too long. Yep. I tried, but it took too long. Took too long. I'm glad that I got out. Might not be a bad idea to think about going short, but I don't want to do that now. But yep. 25. Took too long. I'm glad that I got out, that's for sure. Wow. Just turn around, go short, huh? But who knows, man? Right now it's just very tight and crazy. Like I said, man, if I don't have to take any more trades, let be it. Well, that is what for me. Only 10 points, huh? 10 points. Well, broke the 315. Here we go again. 300 again. Tough to take a short right now, but because I got burned the last trade, tough to go short right now. 95. Give it to me. Seven points, man. Go, go, go. 7 points. Not too bad. 7 points. Lesser red. I went long. It went all the way down to 95. That's where the support is. I thought I went in at what? 98. What? 7 points. My stop is 8 points. Lesser red. I'm happy now. What for that 95 though? If it break that 95, man, we can go lower. But we'll see. Oh, retesting that 95, push it back up again. Now I'm watching for that 300 to hold. Perhaps to go long. Ah! Should I go long? No. 300. $300 has to hold. Not. 95. Now 95 has to hold. Not. Touch the 95 and push it back up again. 95, 100, 300. 95, 300. Man, you want to break that 95 or what? Ah, you want to break that 95 or you want to push it back up again? Yep, 19 seconds for that candle to close. She has to close above that 95. If not, we can go lower. We can go lower. We can go lower. Yeah. Don't want to look back. Push it back up. Retesting that 95 again. I can go short. Now she took off without me. Took off without me. Watch for that retest at 95. 395 or 300. 295 and 300. Yeah, but look at this candles here. Wow. 304, 89. Okay. You retesting that 95 or not? Or not? 395. Nope. She doesn't want to retest in that. 295. 295, 300. Wow. Broke the 80. 265. Break that down. 280. Okay, here we go. 395 or 295. Then 300. Okay, touching that 295, push it back down again. I don't know. Look like we found the bottom at 280 now, for now. Right, once we test that 280. Give 280 hold. Oh, that is the bottom. The 280 the bottom. $280. Oh, very, very dangerous. I don't want to mess around with it. Very tight. 280 and 290. We're in the middle of that right now. 295 and 275. 20 points. 20 point price range. We're in the middle of that, so. My stop is 8 points. Perhaps is that too much? Watch for 75 to hold. watching for at 95. Let me look at the 15 minutes here. When she breaks really hard. I'll push it back up again. Can't trade like this. Yeah, if 75 hold, went all the way down to 71, push it back up again. See if 75 hold us. Yeah, 74, 75 hold. $75.
Great Hanuman, strength of wind.
Hmm.
And we chant.
Yeah.
Son of Anjana, we call on you. Yes, we call your name. We come with chants
Wow.
in our hearts.
Once she moves, man, she moves very quickly and very, very hard to catch it.
Sacred hymns and verses.
Here's the VWAP. The VWAP is 35. Wow, 30 points from here. Let me see.
In
30
devotion's
points from
mighty
here.
tide. Grace and mercy by my side. Each syllable, a sacred plea. In the sun's early glow, I'm free.
Yep. Have to risk money to make
With
money.
every
That's the
beat,
bottom line.
spirit clears. Embracing love, his name adheres. Ah. Echoes rise.
Watch for the
from
65 to
morning
hold.
star. In each note, the truths that scar. Mantras hum a timeless sound, where his presence is profound. The
65
heart
has to hold.
unfolds, the soul adheres. With every chant, his grace appears. Verse after verse, his name revered. Bhakti, pure devotion, sincere. Whispers to the cosmos soar, as Hanuman brings strength to the fore.
Got it.
In his
$100.
love,
5 points.
fears disappear. Chanting on the path.
That's
clear.
good. Brought that account back. I'm good. Oh, now she goes.
The dawn breaks through the morning's hue.
Wow. Aggressive.
Hanuman
Testing that
has seen
VWAP.
anew. His courage
Very aggressive.
glows
Testing that
in
VWAP.
every line. In every heart, his virtues shine. Ancient words, they rise and
Do,
fall.
do, 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 do.
In every moment, to him we call.
I don't know, man.
Almighty One, with mace
Where are we?
in hand,
35
bringer of
and
strength to this very land. Tales of valor.
very aggressive sounding, man. I don't know if I want to go short. I don't know if I want to chase it. I miss out quite a bit. From 55 to, wow. I miss out like 20 points.
Every chance
That's fine.
it
Never look back. That's the way it is. Never look back. But at least I'm all green for the day. All my accounts are in the green.
in the
that counts.
temple's sacred hall.
Doesn't matter.
Incense
Wow, broke that 20.
drips
Hey,
and
hey,
ocean
hey.
call.
Man, you keep shorting her. I don't know, man. I don't want to chase it.
With a golden
No. I
hand
don't want to
in
chase
grace.
it. That's for sure. Too much.
Footsteps echo.
They might push it up from here. This is where the VWAP is. So very dangerous to go short right now.
Into a
Perhaps
divine trance.
catching 5 points long or something like that, but not short. We at the VWAP and then look at this here. Look at the drop right here. Let me look at the 5 minutes and see how it look like. Yeah. We'll push it back up again. Look at this is the 5 minutes. Push it up, very aggressive from the VWAP. So yeah. No, sit on my hands. Practice patient. Practice patient. Yeah, perhaps to go long with a few points. I really like that. Look at this here. Isn't that VWAP again? 12:47. 3 more minutes. Are we going to go all in? Where's Andy? Are you going to go all in, Andy? Mavic, all in? Full port. Go all in. Like I said, my stop is super tight, you guys. 7 point. Super tight. Well, at least I'm back in the green. Wow, very aggressively. 12:48. Minute and a half. Wow, aggressive. Higher step in at the VWAP. 35. Wow, 20 points. Wow, missed that trade. Missed that trade. Yeah, missed that trade. Yep, I missed that trade. Well, she pushed what? She pushed 30 points, so I kind of maybe come back, retest. Come back, retest a little bit. Come back, maybe retesting that 50 or 48 or something like that. Come back down here, then push it back up again. Maybe I'll go back in. Back down here. Back right here. At 45 or something like that. So I can go long. Yeah, I don't want to chase it unless you come back down here and hold at 350. I mean 250. So I can go long. MOC, minute on close. Is that minute on close? Wow, look at that push. Minute on close. Yeah, the last 10 minutes, they call MOC. The last 10 minutes of the trading day, it calls MOC. Wow, look at that push. I was waiting for it to come back and so I can get back in long, but it didn't go back. That's fine. 5 more minutes to go. How's it going, Big W? Oh, went all the way to 90. Wow, pushed 30 points, came back down again. That is crazy. Wow, 30 points he pushed, went back down again. That is crazy. That is crazy. Full port. No. I'm in the green for the day, so I'm not going to go full port, man. These are my funded accounts, so I'm not going to mess it around. You did? Wow, that's awesome, man. Wow. Good job, great job, big W. Wow, that's awesome. Awesome, my friend. Testing that VWAP again. Testing the VWAP again. Wow. 7.5 minutes to go. What I look like when to break that VWAP. Broke that VWAP. I took the risk, but I was wrong. Yeah, I took the risk. Broke that VWAP, never look back. $7.6. This is 7. $200. Wow. Break that 200. Yeah. Wow, didn't want to look back. Wow.
The trees are growing. Yeah, they're growing just for me. 'Cause nothing has beauty
2.5 minutes to go.
without the beholder. And time keeps on ticking.
Well, might want to go all the way down to 45 then.
Just for me. I'm the eyes that beholder, holding on a little longer. I'll keep on getting older. The weight on my shoulders, 'cause nothing has beauty
Ah, super tight, man.
without the beholder. Time keeps on ticking, just for me, just for me. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in trouble.
Just for me.
Not too good.
Just for me.
Time is it? 1.5 minutes to go. It's tough to chase it right now. Tough to chase. Do not chase. Okie dokie, you guys. I guess I'm done too. They can. We are close. Okay, you guys, we'll see you tomorrow. It's not, yeah, I think I'm done. Thank you so much, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday. Maybe I'll take a day off, something like that. Yeah. I'm still in the green for the day though. But, yeah, Tuesday, Andy. Tuesday. But the market opened like and closed early, right? They open at yeah, they close early. Mm-hmm.